Before we proceed to the main arithmetic operators, let us know first what is arithmetic operators. So what is arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators are symbols used in mathematics to perform basic arithmetic operation on numbers. So now that we know what is arithmetic operators, let us proceed to the main operators, which is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Addition. The addition operator is SQL is used to perform addition on numeric values. It takes two numeric values as operands and returns their sum. So now let's go watch the video of addition operator. Subtraction. The subtraction operator in SQL is used to subtract one numeric value from another. It takes two numeric values as operands and returns their difference. So now let's proceed to the video. Multiply. The multiplication operator in SQL is used to multiply two numeric values. It takes two numeric values as operands and return their product. So now let's proceed to the video. Division. The division operator in SQL is used to divide one numeric value by another. It takes two numeric values as operands and returns their quotient. So now let's proceed to the video.